Hello friends, earlier we have learned about the alphabet A and today we are going to practice it. It's going to be really funny.
Yay!
See, we have a penguin in front of us. What we need to do is to put the cap with the letter A on the hat. Yes, and now what is this? It seems interesting. We have some balls with different letters. But what we need to do is to give the letter T to the bat. Yay! We did it! Now, here we have a cute little mouse waiting for the cheese with the alphabet A. Is it A? No. 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 Yes! It is a cheese with the A on it. Wow, it's going to be very interesting. We have a seal and what we need to do is to give him the ball to play with it. But the ball should be with the letter M. Can you see the letter M? Yay! This is the right ball and the seal is happy now. Wow, it's going to be another activity with the cute little rabbit sitting on the rooftop and we have lots of balloons. What we need to do is to give him all the balloons with the letter A. Yay! He's very happy. Now we need to give him the balloons having C letter in it. So where are the balloons? Here we have the balloon with the C letter. Another one. Another one. And another one. Yay! We have 2 of them and 3 of them. Wow, this was really a fun activity. Now what's next? It's my favorite one. What we need to do is to draw the letter T, but it is a lowercase t. Woo, we did it. Hope you all enjoyed today's video. Do like and share and subscribe the video. Good night.